It's been a very interesting week here in Brussels. Of course, a lot of the talk has been about the referendum in Scotland and the implications not only for the people of Scotland now, but for the people of Wales as well. And it's our opportunity to show that we need more power in Wales to build our economy and build a better nation. And so all of the focus has been on democracy and on more powers for our nations. But also here in Brussels, we are preparing for next week when we as members of Parliament have the opportunity to ask questions to the people who've been put forward as commissioners for the next 5 years. And that's a very important process because as the voice of the people of Europe, the Parliament has to approve or reject the new Commission. And of course for us in Wales, for my work on the Culture Committee and on the Transport and Tourism Committee, the person dealing with those issues in the Commission is very important and it's essential. It's someone that understands what we need in the future from Europe. But it's also been a pleasure this week to have Megan Llewelyn here, who's joined us for a week's work experience in the Parliament. Megan, tell us a bit about yourself. What do you do? Where are you from?
My name's Megan. I'm from Mahuntcliffe. I'm about to start my second year at Durham, where I'm studying politics. So obviously this has been really useful for my studies. It's been a brilliant opportunity.
Mm-hmm. And obviously you're interested in politics. Has it been a surprise the way the Parliament works?
Definitely, just to see the scale of the whole thing. I visited the Parliament in Strasbourg as well, so it's been great to come and see the Parliament in Brussels here, to see what the MEPs get up to and just the whole scale of everything, sort of what you do on your everyday timetables and just how different one day is to another.
You know a lot about small nations in the EU, not just because of Wales, but because of Malta too.
Yes, I grew up in Malta, so obviously that's an even smaller country than Wales is. And I think a lot of the issues that Malta faces are quite similar to Wales, language issues, small nations being heard in such a big environment. So definitely it's been really interesting to see the similarities between Malta and Wales. And they're both very important to me. So.
Yes. Well, it's been great and I hope you come back again in future. If so. Not to work permanently, at least to visit Parliament again.
Well, thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thanks.